Hello, Graybeard here, and welcome to my channel. I got you on a big tripod, that's why. But anyways, welcome to my channel. Hope you like this video, and if you do, hit like. If you don't, lie to me. I'll take the like either way. But yeah, looks like I got an ear missing. Took the mirror off, it's over here. But anywho, and as you see, if you see, there's a bracket there. That's because, let me find it, I covered it up. Hand guards for the scooter. Anywho, it stinks in here because I used a heat gun. There was a sticker on this tripod and it wouldn't come off clean, so I heated it up. And it's a new heat gun from Hobo Freight. I mean, I've had it for over a year, but check this out. Give you a little bird's eye view here. Let's see what you're seeing. Yeah, you can see it, can't? Nope. The mirror's blocking you, ain't it? Let's see. Let me do that one. All right. I guess I could turn this way and turn you this way. There we go. Much better. All right. Guess I should have studied these shots and stuff before I got started. Okay, I'm missing a nut. That didn't sound right, but let's see. 2, 4, 2, 4. Yeah, there's 1, 2. Where did I leave the other one? Oh, I found it. It was hiding in plain sight. It was sitting between two of my sockets in my socket set, and this is the gist of it, though. These brackets are pretty cool, but I had to alter them to work for my application. And I'm probably going to have to snug it in a little bit because it's hitting my little turn signal there. But it'll keep the wind off my fingers. See, them gloves was keeping my hands warm, but the wind was penetrating on that last ride. This will keep the wind off. The gloves can do their job. And I did get those, if you watched my last video, those gloves with the fleece lining, or not gloves, the breeches. Let me get the 5 mil. Yeah, I'm always so prepared. Anywho, I got the socket to hold the 10 mil bolt or nut. I'm going to do that already. It's got that little lip on there, and I just got to hold it up there, and hopefully you can see me, what I'm doing. Yeah, it's going to be a little easier than I thought. But anyhow, it's right up against the turn signal. I do have plenty of room, so I can snug it up. I would assume that you would want it as snug without interfering, you know what I mean? And that way, if I wanted to, I could go in more, but I don't think so. I think that's about right. Hopefully, oh yeah, you can see everything. I was hoping I wasn't cutting the shot off, because from here it looks like you're not quite facing the right way. That's probably better anyway. But yeah, you got your 2 bolts here that bolts this one bracket. Oh, that's my old rickety tripod. This old one, see how thin the legs are? The one I'm currently using, they're like at least triple that. It's taller, goes up higher and everything. Yeah, I got this one at Goodwill for $2.99, excuse me. And the I didn't realize this one definitely folds up very compact. But yeah, it's very flimsy compared to that one I got. And it raises up too, but you literally just slide it up and down. That one's got a crank. But yeah, it's gonna be good for something. I'll be using the one you're currently mounted on for the majority of everything, but I think I'm gonna lock this down where it's at. If I can. Oh, trying to move the mirror. Let me see where I'm at with the mirror. The mirror's all right. Just don't need to move it anymore. I'm getting an 8mm to hopefully snug down the mirror a little better. I hate to torque too hard on this because I've had these on and off so many times. Yeah, maybe that'll do it. And this is aluminum, so is this. Well, this is steel. But anyway, yeah. I need to torquelate on these. Last time I trying to, there we go. This is a bad location. I get this, there we go. Alrighty. And then you gotta find the, see how close I am to them. Oh yeah. Got about a 1/2 inch or more between it and the turn signal now. And plenty of room for me and my gloves. Just gotta, it's right here where the brake lever and everything is. And, moved again. I don't know if it was the mirror and everything that moved or, there you go. Hope I'm not boring you to death. I just figured if you have a scooter, you'd want to know how they go on. And I can show you on this other side too, since it's not, it's completely apart. But, like I say, I had to, I drilled it out. It was drilling out fine, but once it hits that little edge there, you see, it wants to grab and, broke my nail. But anywho, let's see. I can take and attach these 2 bolts to this other bracket on my other handguard. I guess I can show you how I did that too. Yeah, these weren't, but I want to say 14 and some change. I can put the link in the description. What I do is I try to protect on it. So I just opened up enough room to get to the bolts and drop the bolts in, the little Allen head bolts. Yep. Go ahead and grab the little bracket. Like I say, it's got that long notch there so you can move it in and out. And as you can see on the other bracket, you can go side to side with it to adjust the handguard exactly where you want it. Gives you a wide range for different bikes. I'm gonna have to hunt that one down. You wouldn't believe how easy you would, and there went the other one. You wouldn't believe how easy the nuts went on the first stop. But since I'm trying to film it, there's one. Yeah, I tell you, the older you get, the further down that floor appears. Now I'm finding another one. But just to show on the road here. Yeah, how much? Oh, I see it. I see it from here. That's funny. All this fumbling around. and I just happened to look down. It's right underneath the front tire of the Big Mini. All right. Okay. Like I say, you can slide it in and out to adjust. There I go, dropping the bolt. It was right there. Yeah, believe it or not, this is the third time I tried to start filming this. The first time was when I realized I was going to have to drill them holes. The second time, that little flimsy tripod was giving me trouble. But anywho, yeah, just leave this loose so you can adjust on it. I'm trying to see it right about where it needs to come in. And then we're gonna get you fixed on the driver's side here. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. This one's going to even be more of a pain because it has the phone holder on it too. That's one good thing though, that I didn't have to take none of this off. I just had to unbolt the main bolt on the riser extenders. Yeah, these things are nice. I got some more that are flat, but these ended up being the better ones. Them flat ones, I paid about the same for them, but I thought they would be more handy in the way that they. Let me get the 8 mil. Anywho, yeah, like I say, you got to hold this right, and get this Allen head started. And yeah, they're fidgety. But yeah, this is the main reason that I did not film me putting them a windshield on. Because it was a bugger. Hopefully this starts right off. Because it, like I say, with that phone holder there, it's even more. Oh yeah, it started. I had more trouble with the other one. Oh, it came loose. Now it's gonna make a liar out of me. Oh yeah. But it's not that hard. One bolt to bolt this on. You already pre-installed the bolts on the handguard itself for the other bracket. And then once you get this mounted, yeah, set this to the side just a second. Get on here and check my mirrors. I don't know if you can see me. You can see my hands, I'd say. Okay, I'm trying to get this, squared off with the other one. That should do it, I think. Just a hair more. The straighter out you have them this way, the more reach you're going to have. It's not going to be much, but it'll give you the most you can get. Okay, I torquelated that one pretty good. Let's see if it moves when I try to tighten them other bolts down. Oh yeah, let me get my little 10 mil. I used to have a little, see if I get the little sockets, the short. This socket set, the long sockets are at least certain sizes, all fit the 1/4 inch. And all the bigger ones seem to fit the, let me try this. Oh, this one does fit the, I think I might be able to get in there better with this short socket. But anyway, get the other 2 bolts. And then, make sure you're seeing what I'm trying to show you. Turn it down just a little more. Yeah, see, that's right in the way right here too. Try to not drop these, my bits and pieces. Take to one. Down a second. See, so this is showing you from the start. You saw me put these in. Well, I was putting them on. I don't know if I actually had you see it. But let's see. I can start it by turning this and just holding it with my hand. I think it's working. Okay. Just needed to get it started. Give it a fighting chance. My fingers aren't as agile as they once were. Hold it with this. Try to do this one. You see that phone holder's right in the way. I could slide this over, but I'm already started, dang it. All right. I had her slid in. You see it's hitting this again. This one, let me see, one of them is, okay. The other one's turned down. This one's actually right. Slide it in. Well, that's as far in as I can go, I believe. So I might adjust that one just to make her even. Yeah. All righty, we're ready to torquelate these. All right, there we go. Like I say, there's all kinds of adjustment in these slots. I get, there we go. Run this down. I don't want to get that bound on that. So I was starting to use the ratchet. I didn't want to bind it up against that. There we go. That mirror didn't move that I can tell. Yeah, I can get this ratchet in here a little easier. Ain't much room for movement, but yeah. But yeah, these will work great to keep the wind off my hand. And I imagine you don't have to go super tight with these things, that it's basically plastic. It's funny. You'd think, you know, on stuff when you pull the protective plastic off, it's like perfect, you know. But with these little El Cheapos, it's a different story. Dang, we went 21 minutes. I did not expect to go that long. But this is the whole deal. We're done. They're on there good and tight. Like I say, I might adjust this one a little bit, the passenger side over here. But yeah. Hope it don't look too goofy. They're kind of boxy looking, but I was thinking that would come in handy, no matter how thick your gloves are, so keep the wind off of you. And yeah, like I said, I was thinking about putting the windshield back on, but that's such a pain. See, here's the bars, and here's the windshield. These bars have to go up in between these little, if you can see the little holes there, and you got to torque these down on that. And see how the gaskets ain't, you can try to keep them gaskets as centered as you can, and it just won't freaking all work with you. They got ones that's got a solid piece, and I'd like to find one of them that fits them holes. I'm afraid I'm going to have to buy a whole new windshield to get that. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the looks. Like I say, where this is shiny, I thought about getting some satin black or something. But where it's already mostly that way, it's just right here and a little strip right there. But like I say, when you pull the protective plastic off, look, it looks like it's almost slightly scratched right there. I may have done that, but what I was noticing over here is the looks like it was some kind of fluid. That's my finger doing that. My finger, the skin, not my nail. That, I bet that rubs out. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I may be painting these. But anyways, I do hope you liked the video, and if you did, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and share the crap out of it. But most importantly, if you want to, comment. Any interaction helps me out, and the more I get helped as far as interactions, more people will see my video, and the more people see my video, the more they can subscribe. And once I get to a certain point, I'll get monetized, and we'll get a better budget. Once I get monetized, I'm bringing money in. I can start putting more money into this, and making it more interesting for you all. But anyhow, like I say, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share the crap out of it.